U.S. shares rallied on Wednesday with the Dow Jones Industrial Average closing above 20,000 for the first time ever on the back of solid earnings and expectations about President Trump's pro-growth initiatives. Korean shares also extended their gains following another stellar day for Wall Street. Kim Min-ji reports.
The Dow Jones Industrial Average has smashed through the 20,000-point level for the first time ever. The historic rally on Wall Street on Wednesday was helped by strong earnings and expectations about President Donald Trump's pro-growth initiatives. The Dow jumped 0.8% to close at a record high of 20,068.5. The Dow has now risen by more than 1,600 points since Trump won the election. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq also hit all-time highs, with both having risen nearly 10% since Trump's presidential victory.
The momentum is still strong, and I don't think that in the next couple of quarters that momentum will reverse itself.
Since his inauguration, Trump has signed several executive orders, including one to ease regulations on domestic manufacturers and another giving the green light for the construction of two controversial oil pipelines, rolling back key environmental actions of the previous administration.
There has been a positive response. Some of the presidential initiatives that have been put into place already, bringing back XL pipeline and other things like that, that certainly led to this, a lot of the materials makers advancing energy, the expectation of reflationary policies have certainly helped the financials particularly.
Korean shares also opened higher on Thursday. The benchmark Kospi gained almost 0.4%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq added about 0.3%. Market bellwether Samsung Electronics hit a fresh record high, gaining almost 0.9%. Down the line, Korean shares are expected to extend the gains on Wall Street, and if the uncertainties around Trump's new policies diminish, the rally is expected to continue in the U.S. Economic revitalization in the U.S. is also expected to have a positive impact on trade in emerging economies. However, experts point out that lingering concerns over increased protectionism and to what extent Trump fulfills his pledges remain as persistent uncertainties for Korea and the rest of the world. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.